So good night everyone, and today I'm gonna explain you how to make how to mirror an object in AutoCAD, also to scale an object, and then how to make a fillet like this one or this one, and then how to make a foundation like this, and also uh, how to make a room decoration. Also, I'm gonna explain you about tray sorry, array, and then trim, and then how to make a door. Like first, I'm gonna explain about mirror, this one. So basically mirror is how to make a mirror of our object in the different place, or create a mirror copy of selected objects. Like the first one, maybe I'm gonna explain you how to make. Maybe we can make by a polyline. We can start by 50, and then this is for 100 or maybe 200, and then this one is 200 on 0 degrees, and then we close it by typing C. Okay, select this one, and then the type of mirroring is two types. Like you can mirror it by horizontally or vertically, and then type the degrees. For the first one, maybe I'm gonna explain you how to make a mirror in horizontal or vertical positions. Like maybe you can make a line as the base point, like this one, escape, and then you can select the object, and then you can click mirror on the icon mirror, or maybe you can type mirror as, and then you can select the first point, specify the first point of your base point, like this one, and then this one, and then if you have the option like erase source objects, you can press no. Okay, this is the first method, and then the second method is how to make a mirror of an object from specified degrees. You can make a line first, maybe 45 degrees. Sorry, uh, 45 degrees, like this one. Okay, so you can firstly select the object, and then type mirror again, specify the first point of the mirror line, like this one, and then specify the endpoint of the mirror line. So, and then uh, if you enter an option erase source object, you can click no. Okay, so you have practicing two types of mirroring, and then now scaling is so easy. So firstly, maybe you can make a rectangle uh, sized 50 to 100, so like this one. And then if you want to scale this two times up or three times up, firstly you can duplicate the object, maybe like this, and then you can type SC, or you can type the scale icon, and I'm gonna practicing the scale by typing on the shortcut, specify the base point, like uh, the the point of the object that you want to be the corner, the base point. Like I'm gonna choose this point as the specify point, and then specify the scale factor. If you want to enlarge the object 2 times up, you can types 2, and then okay, now it's done. And then if you want to types it by 3 times up, you can type SC first, you can select the object first and then type SC or scale, and then specify the base point like before. In the corner or in the middle is up to you, but I prefer in the corner. And then scale factor is I want to type 3, and yes, you can get this one. So how's the case if you want to, if you get the object smaller than this one? So firstly, you can select the object first and then type SC, specify the base point, and then specify the scale factor. So to to make the object is smaller than before, maybe uh, 1/3 smaller than before, 3 times smaller than before, you can specify the base point first and then type 1/3, so it will be 3 times smaller than before. And then we have learned about mirror, and then also scaling object. And then uh, now we will learn about fillet. So I will copy the object before fillet. There's 3 types about fillet. The first one is fillet, chamfer, and third is blend curves. But I'm gonna explain about fillet and chamfer, just fillet and chamfer. So uh, okay, how to make a fillet? Fillet is firstly fillet is how to make the corner of this object is rounded, or on the definition of the icon, rounds and fill at the edge of the object, so the corner will be rounded or chamfered. So the first thing that you need to do is you can type fillet, fillet, yes, like this one, or you can type on the icon fillet. Okay, so if you have an option like this, don't click on the line first, but type the radius first. Like type R, sorry, or can you click on the radius on the comment bar, so you can enter and then specify the fillet radius. If you want the specify fillet radius is 80, displays 80. So now select the first line and then the second line, so it will be rounded. And if you want to make another fillet, so just type fillet and then type the radius. If you want to change maybe to 40, it's up to you. Just enter, type the radius in this enter, and then select the first object and select the second object, so it will be changed like this. Also, when you want to make a chamfer, you can click on the chamfer icon, or you can tap champ on your keyboard. So like before, you need to type the radius, but on the chamfer you need to type the distance. So the first one, you need to click distance, or di, or d, distance, and then specify the first chamfer distance, maybe 20, enter. Specify the second chamfer distance, maybe 22, and then enter. So specify the first line and specify the second line, so the edge of the object will be like this. And then if you want to make a different a distance of the object, just make a chamfer again, just type D and then specify the first center, maybe 45, and then the second chamfer distance, if you want to make a different, maybe 35. So the first line that will be select, it will be, the distance will be 45, and then the second line will be 35. So like this one.